Running year-end is easy with Sage Payroll. From the menu, click Year-end. First, check the tax year to report on is showing the correct tax year. This should be the tax year you are completing. Step 1 is to review your employees' pay values. The purpose of this step is to check values and make any necessary corrections before the payroll year-end is completed. Choose Review Employee Pay P11. A list of all employees paid in this tax year appears, including their total pay to date. To view more detailed information for individual employees, click View P11 next to their name. To view the P11 for all employees at once, click View P11 for all employees. 2 P11 reports will be produced for each employee. One containing pay and PAYE information, the other national insurance and statutory deduction values. To help you check your employee pay, you can run and export additional reports within the reporting menu. You can return to these reports at any time during or after payroll year end. However, if you'd like to save or print the reports, you can do so here. Once you're happy your employees have been paid correctly this tax year, you can close the P11 reports and then click Return to Year End. To confirm Step 1 is complete, select the checkbox. Step 2 of the payroll year-end is to submit your employer payment summary, also known as an EPS. This is your final EPS submission of the tax year. This should be sent by the 19th of April. You can see a countdown here. To continue, click Submit EPS. If you're closing your PAYE scheme, select this checkbox and enter the company cessation date. If you're not closing your scheme, don't select the checkbox. To continue, click Next. Check your CIS deduction, suffered and recovery and compensation values. These are year-to-date values and are automatically calculated based on what you have entered on your EPS submissions throughout the tax year. To continue and submit the final EPS, click Next. To submit using your saved credentials, click Submit. Once the submission is successful, you will be notified here. Step 3 is to distribute your P60 certificates. This should be completed by the 31st of May, and you can see the countdown here. You can print your P60s onto plain paper. No stationery is needed. Alternatively, go paperless with online P60s. Sage HR Essentials is included in your Sage Payroll subscription and available to you at no extra cost. Activate Sage HR Essentials so employees can securely view and download their P60s at any time on any device. To set up online P60s, go to Settings and Sage HR. Click here and follow the steps. To learn more about Sage HR integration and online documents, click Find Out More. Once you have activated Sage HR, publish P60s online by clicking here and entering the date you'd like to make these available to your employees. Access Sage HR using this menu. In the Payslip section, there's a P60 tab where you can view and print all P60s if required. You can automate your processes further and publish payslips online each time you pay your employees. Back in Sage Payroll, in the Year-End tab, you can print your P60s onto plain paper. A P60 will be produced for all employees who are still employed by you on the 5th of April. You can view the P60 for each employee individually by clicking the link next to their name. Alternatively, view them all at once by clicking the View All link. You can print them onto plain paper or save them to your computer. Once you have printed or saved the P60s, close the report. Then click Return to Year-End. To mark this step as complete, select the checkbox. Step 4 of the payroll year-end is not a mandatory step. This step is only applicable to you if you have made any corrections to the tax year processing after completing your final pay run of the year. You can submit this after the 19th of April in the new tax year. To do this, click Submit Supplementary FPS and follow the on-screen instructions. The supplementary FPS will automatically include any corrections you have made since your last pay run and full payment submission. This includes any leave dates you have entered after completing your final pay run of the tax year. We are delivering live payroll year-end webinars too. Within the Payroll Year-End Help Center, click Free Training. During the webinar, you can ask a Sage expert your questions, and you'll receive a recording afterwards. We are running these throughout the year-end period, so there are plenty of dates to choose from. Register now for a free live webinar.